Mapping network drives is essential for organizations to provide users with seamless access to shared resources. Microsoft Intune allows administrators to automate this process across managed devices, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Steps to map a network drive using Intune. Download and import ADMX templates. Download ADMX files. Obtain the DriveMapping.admx file from here. Obtain the Windows.admx templates from Microsoft's official site. Import ADMX files into Intune. Sign into the Intune Admin Center. Navigate to Devices, Configuration Profiles. Click on Import ADMX and upload the downloaded .admx files. Create a device configuration profile. In the Intune Admin Center, go to Devices Windows, Configuration Profiles, Create Profile. Set platform to Windows 10 and later. Choose profile type as Templates and select Imported Administrative Templates, Preview. Provide a name and description for the policy. Network drive mapping. Within the profile settings, navigate to User Configuration, Network Drive Mapping. Select the desired drive letter to assign. Enter the shared folder path in UNC format, e.g., // server name / shared folder. Assign the policy. In the Assignments section, select the user or device groups that should receive this configuration. Review the settings and click Create to deploy the policy. Monitor deployment. In the Intune Admin Center, navigate to Devices Configuration Profiles. Select the created profile to view deployment status and ensure successful application. Sync devices. Type policy application. Initiate a manual sync on target devices. On the device, go to Settings, Accounts, Access, Work, or School. Select the connected account and click Info. Click Sync to force an immediate check-in with Intune. End user experience. After the policy is applied and the device syncs with Intune, users will see the mapped network drive in File Explorer with the assigned drive letter. This setup provides quick access to shared resources without manual configuration. Troubleshooting tips. Access issues. If a mapped drive shows a red X or is inaccessible, verify that the user has the necessary permissions for the shared folder and that the network path is correct. Policy application delays. Ensure the device is connected to the Internet and can communicate with Intune services. Manual syncs or device restarts can help expedite policy application. By following these steps, administrators can efficiently deploy network drive mappings across multiple devices using Intune, enhancing user productivity and ensuring consistent access to essential resources.